Happy October. I absolutely love October. It's one of my favorite months of the year, and I really just wanted to show you guys my setup for this month because I did kind of switch things around a little bit for functionality purposes and just to switch it up. So let's just dive in. I'm using the personal size Webster's Suede Mustard Yellow planner. It matched perfectly with the Cocorizi kit. So many fun goodies in this month's kit, guys. It's crazy. So I just decorated my pockets, super cute. If you follow me before and you know me, then you know my pockets are purely just decorative. I don't really use function-wise. I do put like sticky notes and stuff in it, but I always forget that they're there. But yeah, I do have a stencil, that's functional. And then I took some older Cocorizi goodies too because they just matched this month's kit really well. So yeah, so like I have the daisy sticky notes here, pumpkin sticky notes. This was from whenever there was like the tea month. I forgot what month that was. Anyways, so here's my first dashboard. I stamped little Simon here in his little gourd costume because how cute is that? And I colored it in with the La Pens. And then I just glued down the wood veneer and some of those maple leaf confetti things that came in the pocket memory keeping kit. And then this cute little paper clip, my friend Jonna made me, so it matched perfectly with this kit. And then that just goes like that. This I wanted to try out. So I'm really bad at like keeping up to date with tracker. So I was like, let me focus on two things just for October. So just for October, I really wanted to stay consistent with working out and my Instagram posts. So those are the two things I'm focusing on. Eventually I want to figure out a better way to document it, but these are from the sticker kit. And then I just write down the planner challenge. If you haven't joined in the planner challenge, definitely join in. We stitched it up in the Facebook group this month, so it's just like post on the Facebook group. It's awesome. And then here is my monthly spread where I just decorated it with like important dates, highlighting important dates. And yeah, so I have like date night for the 10th, we're going to a concert. My birthday's the 11th. I want to add a quote here, forgot about that. So that's why I put the "and I" quote. Our 10-year dating anniversary is the 23rd, so that's exciting. Halloween. So yeah. And then there's my second dashboard, right? No. Yeah. Second dashboard, memories, because I do my memory keeping on this, the weeklies. So I just added some stickers here. And then I wanted to start using the in-between pages because I don't really use them. So I'm just putting like random things that I want to document. So like read a book. So these are books that I want to finish in October. This is just a little bookmark I made with scrap paper that I had. So I just cut it and then punched it in. Super easy. And then I decorate this throughout the month. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see how I do my memory keeping in my planner. I don't use photos in this though. It's just like writing and using stickers and stuff like that. So yeah. Then we're on to the third divider. And the third divider, I added the acetate with the pumpkins and then a little sticker. It's like a thicker sticker. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then the paper matched really well with the pumpkins. So I had them paper clipped together before. And then we jump into my weekly. So I just have a little bookmark. This bookmark is to move around throughout the week. And then here's a little Simon. I didn't want him to fall out, so he's in my rings. Oh, and this is my mood tracker for the month. So I stamped the leaves with one of the stamps that came in this month's kit. Let me see if I can pull it out to show you. It's this one. So I think this was in the planner classified. So I used these leaves and stamped here, and then I'm going to use oranges to reds so they look like fall leaves. Here's my weekly. So I think for my weekly, I'm going to be using it as just like a quick way to jot down like important appointments, meal planning, things like that. As you can see, still haven't written in it, but I'm going to. Then we are on to what? The fourth divider? I don't know. So here, I absolutely love this paper. I cut this out from the 12 by 12 paper, and it's so pretty. I really just wanted to hoard it, but what for? So then I just added washi tape, a sticker, and then these gorgeous enamel stickers. The glitter enamel, like how pretty is that? Onto there. And then a daily to do tab. I absolutely love the back of it, and I made sure to cut out that little heart there. Then we're on my daily to-dos. I made this bookmark using the pumpkin sticky notes, and then I just glued it onto a 12 by 12 paper. That way it'd be a little thicker and sturdy. And then I just punched the holes. As you can see, it was a little off in some places, but it stays in. So yeah, so these are my dailies, and what I did with my dailies was I stamped ahead of time each day. And I really plan on using these for functionality purposes. I don't decorate them. They're just there. Then to the back, I absolutely love this dashboard. I love the list. It's so cute. I do want to like actually check things off. That'd be fun. And then in the back of it, I made a little pocket. So just for like bills, because this is my bill section. I took out the one that it had written on for obvious reasons. But yeah, so just a little pocket that I washi taped. Again, this is the 12 by 12 paper. And then I have another pocket dashboard. And this one I cut the pumpkins out of one of the dashboards that I knew I wasn't going to use. So I just cut out the pumpkins, added Betty there, and just washi taped it in. And then I have another one. So I wanted to make a bigger one. So as you can see, it takes up like the whole back side. That's why it's all the way in the back. For my stickers. So just like on the go planning, I have some stickers there. So yeah, and again, just washi taped in using 12 by 12 paper. So that's how I set up my October planner. Super excited to see how it comes together. Hoping I'm a lot more functional with it. But yeah, this month's kit, absolutely gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.